This is a look at Google on the 5-minute time frame. I'm going to show you the channel we are in for Monday. We ended the week at $108.42, up nearly 4%. Congratulations if you've made some money off of this stock. Now, to the north side, at 2 standard deviations, takes us to roughly 108.94. Above that, 109.88. And at 4 standard deviations, roughly $110.83. To the south side, VWAP takes us back down to 107.32. The middle of the trend is very close to that at 107.03. Negative 2 standard deviations takes us to roughly 105.13. Below that, 104.24. And finally, 103.27 roughly at negative 4 standard deviations. And note the two gaps over here. This one closed to the upside at 105.03 and this one closed to the downside at 103.78. The RSI is currently at 55. Now I want to show you what the analyst price predictions are on tipranks.com. Ignore this pink line, that's an old price prediction, as well as that yellow line. All right, on tipranks.com, the high forecast is $160. The average is $129, and the low is $115. From where we are, roughly, this point to $122 would be a return of roughly 13%. Now, if we make it to a high of 160, that would take us to roughly a return of 47%. Of course, we may never get there, or it could take a very long time to do so. So if you are investing and you're just letting it ride, hopefully we'll get to that point. Now that is a look at Google on the 5-minute time frame. I'm going to show you quickly what we look like on the daily time frame. I don't like the slope here of this channel. It hasn't gone sideways yet and then up, but we are consolidating, as you can see right there. And we are right over here. The chart looks messy now. But at 4 standard deviations, which is a target level, that would be $117.81. And from where we are on the daily time frame, 2 standard deviations would take us to roughly 101.82. Note the bounce here at support and the sell-off at resistance. People are taking their profits and they're running. That happened here and clearly at this level as well. Now, let me take a look at Tesla. I've been talking about this stock all week. We ended today at $105.06. To the north side now, the channel takes us to 185.89 roughly, 188. 189.70. Note the gap that forms to the upside at roughly 190.74, closes out at 192.25, and another gap to the upside closes out at 206.37. Of course, we are a long ways off, but I just wanted to show you that. The 1-year price target is $215.43. So from where we are, roughly, that is a return of 16%. When I talked about this earlier, we were right here, and that was a return, because the market was higher then, of only roughly 4%. The RSI today is at 47. And that is a look at Tesla on the 5-minute time frame. If there is a stock that you would like me to check out, please let me know. And I'm going to leave you with how the market ended this week.